Good morning, students. Myself, Reena Tripathi, RKG Educational College, B.Ed third semester. Students, today we will learn English oral composition, topic environmental pollution. What is environmental pollution? Environmental pollution. Environmental pollution can be defined as any undesirable change in physical, chemicals, or biological characteristics of any component of the environment, that is air, water, soil, which can cause a harmful effects on various forms of life or property. Pollution. The term pollution can be defined as influence of any substance causing nuisance, harmful effects, and uh, uneasiness to the organisms. Pollute, Pollutants, any substance causing mm, nuisance or harmful effects or uneasiness to the organisms, then that particular substance may be called as the pollutant. Types of pollution: water pollution, air pollution, land pollution, noise pollution. What is water pollution? Water pollution can be defined as alternation of physical, chemical, or biological characteristics of water through natural or human activities and making it unsuitable for its designated use. Fresh water present on the earth's surface is put to many uses. It is used for drinking, domestic and municipal uses, agricultural, irrigation, industries, navigation, recreations. The used water becomes con- con- contaminated and is called waste water. Sources of water pollution. Most of water pollution is man-made. It may also occur naturally by addition of soil particles through erosion, animal wastage, and leaching of minerals from rocks. The sources of water pollution can be classified as municipal water, municipal wastewater, industrial waste, inorganic inorganic pollutants, organic pollutants, agriculture wastes, marine pollution, thermal pollution. Here is some images are water wastage of industrial waste. The major source of water pollution is the wastewater discharged from industries and commercial bodies. These industries are chemical, metallurgical, food processing industries, textile, paper industries. They discharge several organic and inorganic pollutants that prove highly toxic to living beings. Industrial waste, inorganic pollutions. They include fine particles of different metals, uh, chlorides, sulfates, oxides of iron, cadmium acids, and alkalis. Organic pollution, organic pollutants, they include oils, fats, phenols, organic acids, grease, and several other organic compounds. Agricultural wastes, chemical fertilizers, and pesticides have become essential for present-day high-yielding crops. Next, consequently, they have become a potential source of water pollution. These fertilizers contain major plants nutrients, mainly nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Excess fertilizers may reach the groundwater by leaching or may be mixed with surface water of rivers, lakes, and ponds by runoff and drainage. Marine pollution. Oceans are the final sink of all natural and man-made pollutants. Rivers discharge their pollutants into the sea. The sewage and garbage of social cities are also dumped into the sea. The other sources include discharge of oils, grease, de- detergents, and radioactive wastes from ships. Thermal pollution. Thermal pollution of water is caused by the rise in temperature of water. The main source of thermal pollution are the thermal and nuclear power plants. The power generating plants use water as coolant and release hot water into the original source. Sudden rise in temperature kills fish and other aquatic animals. Air pollution. Air pollution is the introduction of chemicals, particulate matter, or biological material that cause harm or discomfort to humans or other living organisms or cause damage to the natural environment or built environment into the atmosphere. The substance in the air that can cause harm to humans and the environment is known as an air pollutant. Cause of air pollution: carbon dioxide. This happens because of defor- deforestation and fossil fuel burning. Sulfur dioxide, due to the burning of sulfur containing compounds of fossil fuels. Sulfur oxides, very dangerous to humans at a high concentration. Sulfur in the atmosphere is responsible for acid rain. Consequence of air pollution: CO2 is a good transmitter of sunlight, but it also partially restricts infrared radiation going back from the Earth into space, which so produces the so-called greenhouse effect that prevents a drastic cooling of the Earth during the night. CO2 in atmosphere, global warming. Land pollution. Land pollution is the demolition of Earth's land surface, often caused, often caused by human activities and their misuse of land resources. It occurs when waste is not disposed properly. Urbanization and industrialization are major causes of land pollution. Causes of land pollution. Four main causes of land pollution: construction, agriculture, domestic waste, industrial waste. Construction. Buildings take up resources and land. The trees are chopped down and used to make buildings. Take away the place for animals and other organisms to live. Agriculture. As there are more and more people inhabiting the earth, food is in higher demand, and so forests are chopped down and turned into farmland. In addition, herbicides, pesticides, artificial fertilizers, animal manure are washed into the soil and pollute it. Industrial waste: plastic factories, chemical plants, oil refineries, nuclear waste disposal activity, large animal farms, coal-fired power plants, metals production factories, and other heavy industry all contribute to land pollution. Noise pollution. Noise pollution is the excessive displeasing human, animal, or machine creating environmental noise that disrupts the activity or balance of human or animal life. Sound becomes under Sound becomes undesirable when it disturbs the normal activities such as working, sleeping, and during conversations. World Health Organization stated that noise must be recognized as a major threat to human well-being. Sources of noise pollution. Transportation systems are the main source of noise pollution in urban areas. Construction of buildings, highways, and streets cause a lot of noise due to the uses of air compressors, bulldozers, loaders, dump trucks, and pavement breakers. Industrial noise also adds to the already unfavorable state of noise pollution. Loudspeakers, plumbing, boilers, generators, air conditioners, fans, and vacuum cleaners add to the existing noise pollution. Effects of noise pollution. According to the US EPA, there are direct links between noise and health. Also, noise pollution adversely affects the lives of millions of people. Noise pollution can damage psychological health. High blood pressure, stress related illness, sleep disruption, hearing loss, and productivity loss are the problems related to noise pollution. It can also cause memory loss, fever, depression, and panic attacks. Solutions for noise pollution. Planting bushes and trees in and around sound generating sources in is an effective solution for noise pollution. Regular servicing and turning off automobiles can effectively reduce the noise pollution. Social awareness programs should be taken up to educate the public about the causes and effects of noise pollution. Workers should be provided with equipment such as earplugs and ear muffs for hearing protection. Similar to automobiles, lubrication of the machinery and servicing should be done to minimize noise generation. Soundproof doors and windows can be installed to block unwanted noise from outside. Regulations should be imposed to restrict the uses of play loudspeakers in crowded areas and public places. Factories and industries should be located far from the residential areas. Ways to stop pollution. We believe that it is the responsible thing to do to increase recycling. It is just like doing laundry and separating blacks and colors. The residents of the country should also try and do their part and put in at least one day of litter picking up. Global warming and the greenhouse effect. Difference between global warming and the greenhouse effect. Global warming refers to a rise in the temperature of the surface of the earth. The greenhouse effect is the process by which thermal radiation from the planetary surface is absorbed by atmospheric greenhouse gases and is re-radiated in all directions. Some proof of global warming is here. This peak is 2003 and this 2008. Colorado River as of June 2002 and Colorado River as of December 2003. Thank you.